Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sarosh and I am a foundational student at Rehan School FAT Campus Islamabad, and today I am doing a short documentary of the topic the evolution of robot. Today we are exploring the fantasizing journey of one simple word that changed the world robot from its origin in a stage play over a century ago to becoming one of the most important terms in modern technology. The story of the word robot is both surprising and inspiring. The word robot was first introduced in 1920 by British writer Kevin Saprik in his famous play R2R. The jazz's word "robota" means forced labor, hard work, or this meaning perfectly matches the story of the play where artificial workers were created to perform labor for humans. In R2R, robots were not made of metal like the machines we imagine today. Instead, they were artificial human-like beings created through biological process. Their purpose was simple: to work tirelessly, without emotions, without rest, and without demanding right. However, as the story unfolds, the robot begin to develop intelligence and self-awareness. Eventually, they rebel against humanity, leading to one of the earliest and most influential stories about artificial intelligence and the ethical questions surrounding technology. This play introduces ideas that remain relevant even today. Should human create intelligent machine? Can technology be kept too powerful? What responsibilities do creators have toward their creation? These questions continue to shape discussion about artificial intelligence in the 21st century. As such technology advanced during the 20th century, the meaning of the word robot evolved. In the 1950s and 1960s, engineers began building the first industrial robots. These machines were designed to perform repetitive tasks such as welding, assembling products, and moving heavy materials. Unlike the fictional robots in the play, these machines they simply followed program instructions with incredible speed and accuracy. As computing technology improved, robots become much more advanced. One of the biggest development today is the relationship between robots and artificial intelligence. It's important to understand that not everybody uses AI and not every AI system is a robot. A robot is a physical machine that can perform action in the real world. Artificial intelligence, on the other hand, is software that allows machines to learn, reason, and make decisions. However, rapid technologies progress also brings important challenge. Many people worry the automation could replace certain jobs. Others are concerned about privacy, security, and the ethical use of artificial intelligence. As robotics and artificial intelligence continues to evolve, the questions first raised over a century ago remain just as important today. How should we use technology? How can innovation benefit humanity? And how do we ensure that machines always serve people, not replace our values? So, viewers, this is my short documentary. Hope so you like it. Meet you in the next video.